Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just landed in Pune and I'm staying here at a Novotel. Let me give you a room tour. So this is the entrance. We have a full-size mirror here and this is the washroom. And this here is the twin bed setup. And let me show you the view outside the room. These are some of the amenities we got. So there's a sanitary bag, a dental kit, a vanity kit, a comb, and this is a shower cap. Just finished dinner and the dinner spread was really immaculate. And tomorrow is my first day at office. I'm really excited, a little bit nervous, but honestly super excited. So I'll see you soon tomorrow. Hi everyone, good morning. Today is officially day 1 of my office. I'm so excited and honestly I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm so grateful to get this opportunity. Anyways, I've started to get ready. I've put my hair up in a roll and I'll do my makeup and I'll see you soon. So this is the final look. I'll show you in the mirror. So here is the fit for the day. Guys, wish me luck. I'll see you soon in the evening. I'll try to capture a few videos and photos of the event and I'll see you soon. Just got back from office. The day went really well. I got to meet so many old friends. I did an internship here last year, so I got to meet so many people, and also I got introduced to my team. I did the onboarding and it was all a very smooth process. Overall, I'm really happy, very excited for tomorrow. Exhausted, yes, but I'm also very grateful. I just came back from dinner and I got the cutest surprise in my room. Let me show you. Look at this. We have some complimentary snacks and a beautiful note from the team. Thank you Akansha and the Novotel team. It is so cute. It's raining now and I'm just sitting here appreciating this view. I'll see you soon tomorrow. Good night. Just came home and this is my welcome kit. We have one water bottle, actually another water bottle, a diary and a pen, and a beautiful, very efficient bag. I'll actually go to sleep now because I'm very tired. Thank you so much guys. Good night. Hi guys, good morning. Today is day 3 and I'm super excited. Yesterday I met a lot of my teammates and it was so nice to see them once again. So yes, I'm so excited to work today. Because I've actually packed my bags because they said that this room and especially a lot of rooms in this floor has some scheduled cleaning. So this is the last video from this room. See you in the next one. Bye. So this is my new room. This is the wardrobe here. This here is the washroom. Same layout as the previous one. Here we have a mirror. Here is another cupboard. And we have the bed here. And the bedside table. This sofa. Working desk, and the cutest little thing here, this here is a teddy, and this is a bag tag. Let me show you the view outside. This is it. I'm on a higher floor, same side. So yeah, very excited. This is a bigger room, so yeah. It was raining today in the morning, so I decided to not go to office. Hence, I am working from home, and I'm also eating some naru that my mother made and some banana. Another day, another work from home. It has been raining since the morning, and the weather has only cleared up a bit right now. So that is all from week 1 in Pune. I know this video is not very consistent. I could not film properly with onboarding, house hunting, and the general dread of moving to a new city. I think I did not get to film properly every single thing, and also I'm still scared that I'm somehow going to mess this up, living alone, living in a different city. So yeah, I will try to be more consistent from the next time. And yes, I'm going to be uploading more vlogs from Pune about my life here, office, corporate structure, and more. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.